amazing. Our chariot awaits. We gotta load it up. We're ready to go.
Right. Chris and I'll stand on the sides and pump like a either way.
Bro. This is why we
oh gosh.
Now we're going faster.
It's charging.
I love this guy's videos. That guy's videos.
Oh yeah, that's like my whole day's worth of battery.
Yeah.
And now we have permission to drive.
So I have no idea what we recorded, if anything, but we're on the back of the golf cart. We
Lightly sunburned.
we're very sunburned. Everything has been put away. There's a lot.
We cleaned up. We got some grub.
It was a great time.
It was a lot of fun.
She had a really good turnout, and I think this has become the first annual CV Collective block party. Stay tuned for the second annual next year. But yeah, I don't know what's in store for us, so whether or not this is the end of the vlog, thanks for coming. Bye!